Today we'll talk about how to run a training workflow. Here you can see that we have a workflow that's been configured with the desired settings. Before running the workflow, let's name our workflow so that we can better associate them with our respective workflows after that. And we can then run the workflow by clicking the green Run Training button that's located at the bottom right corner of the workflow screen. We can then choose the options and configurations to run our workflow. And for example, the training will always save every checkpoint and override them with the newer ones here. And with the advanced evaluation enabled, this will allow us to view the advanced evaluation metrics, such as previews and also confusion matrices and recommendations. Click Next, and here we can configure the compute resources we need for powering our training. And we also support custom runner, which allows you to run the training on your own GPU resources. We can then choose the GPU type desired and the amount. And after that, review the configuration and click Start Training. This will kickstart and initialize our training.